Hey guys, I'm going to do a walkthrough for lesson 4 for you guys. That little photo liker with the cat. So let me show it to you right now. All right. All right, the first thing is I didn't think that I would have to put this in, or you see me put it in, are the two variables, all right? We have our first variable, which is likes, and then I set it, all right? So I got my variable likes, and it's at 0, and then I have my variable comments, and it's in parentheses, oh my God, so cute. So I have two starting points for my work. The likes are at 0, and oh my God, it's so cute. So they're locked in. That's what it's always going to start with. It's in parentheses. It's not a variable. Sorry, in quotations, and it's not a variable. So that's what you're going to get every single time that you start this program. So now let's do the buttons, all right, which are on events because the human's going to do stuff. So I'm going to start, doing my on event. So here we go. There it is, on event. Thank you. And I'm going to do it for, I think I'm going to do the down button first. So it'll be the down button or the thumbs down, and that's what I named it in the design mode. And I think it's going to be on a click. And after the click, that's why I put another comma in, it's going to have a function. I'm going to have a function in there. And the main thing, my problem is, and again, I'm getting that weird capital I a lot, which I don't understand. But what are you going to do? And I'm going to do my curly bracket right there. All right. So I have my one parentheses here, this, and then I'm going to put this one parenthesis at the end. That basically tells it what's in this function, what's on this event. So what's going to happen in this event is I'm going to take my likes, and again, I got that weird I. That's very weird, but keyboard is doing weird stuff. And I'm going to take likes and I'm going to subtract. I'm going to minus 1, so it'll be minus 1. And of course, a semicolon at the end. So far on this event, I'm going to take my likes, which I unfortunately capitalized and should not because the variable is not capitalized. I'm going to take likes, and then every time it's clicked on, it's going to go minus 1. But that's great. That's happening internally. I need the computer to see it as well. So I'm going to set the text that the human will also see the number change. It's one thing that the computer is seeing the change. The other thing is that the human needs to see something change as well. So I think it's called like counter output, I think it was. There it was, like counter output. And I always like to do this. I always, when I name stuff, when it's going to be the next word, I make it capital because you can't have spaces. So for me to not think this is just a stream of consciousness of letters, I will always do a capital for the next word. So what's going to be printed out to the human? Well, it's going to say likes, and then I'm going to get that weird I again. Don't know why. And then I'm going to add the 1. But I'm not going to be put plus 1 because the computer is already doing that in the variable. I'm just going to put in the variable likes. All right. That should have not been in parentheses. This should have been in a parenthesis. There we go. That makes more sense. All right. So we're going to set the text. We're going to take that like counter output. That's where it's going to go. And it's going to say likes, semicolon, like it is here. And then it's going to put in the variable likes. Pretty self-explanatory. There is a part that you would play a sound, but I ain't down with that. So, and semicolon. And you notice it goes away. Yay! So I got that part done. Now, I don't want to rewrite this. That's a pain in the ass. Plus, I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to go down to the next line. I'm going to paste it. And there's just a few things I need to change. I need to change this to now the up button. Okay. It's still going to work. This is going to go to pluses. All right. I think I got that down so far. I got liked. All right. And I got up. I'm not going to do sound yet. All right. Let's see if this runs. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I'm so cool. Okay. So, next line I'm going to do on the event is what the person writes in. All right. So it's going to be another event with another function inside. And the main thing is that what I've noticed is people are not allowing the function to go in the next line. They were just rewriting over the last comment. We want them to be able to see everybody's comment, because that's what everybody wants. Everybody wants to be able to see everybody's comment and horrible things that they say on the internet. So there's going to be another on event. And in that, we are going to, in parentheses, the button that we're going to do is the comment button, and there we go. And then we have parentheses, and it's going to be on a click and another comma, and it's going to be a function. I hope you guys hear all the sounds going on outside because I'm at school, and it is what we would say a shit show outside. So now I'm going to do my open bracket, and now this is where the command comes in. The function, sorry. So in the function, it's going to go, the comment's going to be, comment is going to be right here. So it's going to say, you know, in your comments, it's going to, because that's the variable, all right, comment's going to be the variable comment, plus I'm going to put in a new line. So in parentheses, sorry, quotations, I don't know why I keep on saying parentheses. In quotations, backslash n, all right? And then after that, we're going to have another line of code. Not another line of code. Right after that, we're going to add a little more context, is what the person types in. So I'm going to get the text right there. And it's telling you, it's going to get the text what the person wrote, and it's going to put it in this area, which is the new comment. So I got right here, new comment. All right, semicolon at the end because what I want to do. And now we're going to, so we got the comment. We're going to get the comment from it. So whenever there's a comment, it's going to put it and then make a new line, and it's going to get the comment from here. The next line of code is where we're going to put the comment. All right, so I'm sorry if I was a little confusing a second ago. We're going to get the comment from here and then put the comment here. So next is set text. And, you know, it's probably like all comment. I think it's all comment outputs. Look, it's right there. Perfect. Hit enter. I love how the program does so much work for me, so I don't have to do a lot. And what's going to be in there is the variable comment. And then I have my semicolon. I go back. It's an open bracket here, so I'm going to put a closed bracket here, and then it's going to be another semicolon. And look, there is no red or yellow, meaning that we probably don't have any mistakes. I'm going to reset our code. I'm going to run it. My clicks work. This works. And I'm going to type in hello. and I'm going to click on it, and there it puts in hello. So we're all good. All right. So if you're still having a problem doing this one, I hope this walkthrough helps out a bit. You can see everything on the screen. So I hope you guys have a good day. All right. Bye now.